Most SUVs today struggle to make it past 100,000 miles without expensive problems starting to pile up. And that's why a lot of drivers believe modern SUVs just aren't built to last anymore. Once the warranty is gone, the repair bills start coming. But here's what surprised me when I started looking at mechanic reports and long-term owner data. A few SUVs are built so well that they can easily reach 300,000 miles or more with proper maintenance. So in this video, I'm going to show you 11 SUVs mechanics consistently say are capable of hitting 300,000 miles, thanks to proven engines, durable engineering, and surprisingly low long-term repair rates. And make sure you watch until the end, because the last SUV on this list is so reliable that mechanics say they almost never see it in the repair shop. But the SUV that starts our list surprised a lot of mechanics, because just a few years ago, almost nobody expected it to last this long. The Hyundai Santa Fe. 10 or 15 years ago, few people would have predicted the Hyundai Santa Fe could become a high-mileage SUV, but newer generations have surprised a lot of mechanics with how well they hold up over time. One reason is Hyundai's modern engine development, which has improved significantly in durability compared to earlier models. When owners keep up with routine maintenance, these engines are capable of handling years of steady daily driving. The Santa Fe also benefits from balanced suspension and drivetrain design, which helps reduce long-term strain on major components during normal commuting and highway miles. And the real-world results are becoming more common. It's no longer unusual to see Santa Fe models with 200,000 miles or more, especially when they've been properly maintained and driven consistently. But the next SUV on this list proves something interesting. Sometimes the most durable vehicles aren't the biggest or the most powerful. In fact, mechanics often point to this compact crossover as one of the most dependable modern SUVs on the road. The Mazda CX-5. Ask a few mechanics about dependable modern crossovers, and the Mazda CX-5 often comes up faster than you'd expect. A big reason is Mazda's SkyActiv engine technology, which focuses on efficient combustion without relying heavily on complex turbo systems. That simpler design helps reduce internal stress and long-term wear compared to many small turbocharged engines used in competing SUVs. The CX-5 also stands out for its solid build quality and balanced drivetrain, which mechanics say helps the vehicle handle years of daily driving without developing the kinds of problems that can shorten a vehicle's lifespan. And the real-world results are already showing up. Seeing CX-5 models with 200,000 miles is becoming increasingly common, and many mechanics believe properly maintained examples have the potential to keep going far beyond that. But the next SUV is famous for surviving something most vehicles hate: harsh weather and rough roads. In fact, drivers in snowy mountain regions keep these SUVs for decades. The Subaru Outback. This SUV doesn't look like a 300,000-mile machine. In fact, many people don't even think of the Subaru Outback as a real SUV. But mechanics know something most buyers overlook. When it's maintained properly, this thing can last an incredibly long time. One big reason is Subaru's symmetrical all-wheel drive system. Unlike many SUVs that only send power to all four wheels when traction is lost, the Outback system is always engaged and evenly balanced. The Outback also uses a boxer engine, where the pistons move side to side instead of up and down. This design runs smoother with less vibration, which can reduce long-term wear on engine components. Another reason mechanics like the Outback is that it's simple and affordable to maintain compared to many modern SUVs. Parts are easy to find, repairs are usually straightforward, and with regular maintenance, it's not unusual to see Outbacks reach 200,000 miles or more, with some even pushing close to 300,000 miles. Now, the next SUV is one you've probably seen everywhere, and there's a reason for that. Mechanics say it's one of the most reliable daily drivers ever built. The Honda CR-V. Some SUVs look tough, but start falling apart before 150,000 miles. The Honda CR-V does the opposite. It quietly keeps running long after many competitors have already been traded in. One big reason is Honda's durable 4-cylinder engines, which mechanics often praise for their ability to handle extremely high mileage with basic maintenance. Compared to many modern turbocharged SUVs, these engines are relatively simple, which means fewer complicated components that can fail over time. The CR-V is also known for solid engineering and consistent reliability. Honda has refined this model over many generations, and that steady development has created a vehicle that's dependable without being overly complex. And the real proof shows up on the odometer. It's common to see CR-Vs with 250,000 miles or more, and many well-maintained examples keep going far beyond that. But the next SUV takes that reliability and adds something else: more power and more space. It's basically the bigger sibling that many families keep for hundreds of thousands of miles. The Honda Pilot. Three-row family SUVs usually spend their lives hauling kids, groceries, and luggage, not chasing 300,000 miles. But the Honda Pilot is one of those vehicles mechanics often see still running strong long after most owners expected to replace it. A big reason is Honda's long-running V6 engine platform, which has earned a reputation for durability across several Honda models. These engines are designed to deliver smooth power without the complexity that can shorten the lifespan of many modern turbocharged powertrains. The Pilot also benefits from well-balanced drivetrain engineering, which helps distribute stress more evenly during everyday driving, especially on long highway trips where many of these SUVs accumulate massive mileage. And when owners keep up with routine maintenance, the results speak for themselves. It's not uncommon to see Honda Pilots reach 250,000 miles or more, with some examples continuing well beyond that. Now, this next SUV surprises a lot of people because it's a luxury vehicle, yet mechanics often say it's far more dependable than many European competitors. The Acura MDX. Luxury SUVs aren't usually the first vehicles mechanics expect to see reach 300,000 miles, but the Acura MDX has quietly built a reputation for lasting far longer than many people expect. One big reason is its proven V6 engines, which come from Honda's long history of building durable powertrains. These engines are known for running smoothly for years when they're properly maintained, and they're far less complex than many turbocharged luxury engines on the market. Combine that with straightforward maintenance and strong build quality, and it's not unusual to see MDXs with 250,000 miles or more. But the next SUV changes the formula completely. Instead of a crossover platform, it's built more like a full-size truck, and that toughness makes a big difference over hundreds of thousands of miles. The Ford Expedition. Big SUVs often rack up huge mileage simply because they're built to handle heavy work, and the Ford Expedition is a perfect example. Mechanics often point out that these full-size SUVs are designed for towing, hauling, and long highway miles, which means the core components are built to take serious punishment. One major reason for the Expedition's longevity is its strong truck-based platform, which shares engineering with Ford's F-150 pickup. That kind of heavy-duty foundation helps the drivetrain handle years of demanding use without wearing out as quickly as lighter crossover SUVs. The Expedition's EcoBoost V6 engines have also proven surprisingly durable when maintained properly, delivering strong power while still holding up over very high mileage. Combine that with widely available parts and straightforward repairs, and it's not unusual to see Expeditions with 260,000 miles or more, with some examples continuing well beyond that in fleet and family use. And the next SUV might be even more famous for durability. In fact, police departments and government fleets rely on it because it can survive extreme mileage. The Chevrolet Tahoe. Police departments and government fleets don't choose vehicles lightly, and the Chevrolet Tahoe is one SUV they rely on for extremely high mileage. When a vehicle is expected to run almost non-stop for years, durability becomes the top priority. One major reason the Tahoe lasts so long is its full-size body-on-frame construction, a design normally reserved for pickup trucks. That heavy-duty structure allows it to handle years of towing, highway driving, and heavy loads without the same wear many crossover SUVs experience. Under the hood, many Tahoe models use large displacement V8 engines that are known for their durability and relatively simple design. Compared with smaller turbocharged engines, these powertrains often handle long-term stress more easily, and the results speak for themselves. It's common to see Tahoes with 250,000 miles or more, especially in fleet service where vehicles are driven hard every day. But the next SUV takes that truck durability and combines it with luxury engineering. Underneath the comfortable interior is one of the toughest platforms ever built: the Lexus GX. Some luxury SUVs become expensive repair nightmares once the mileage climbs. The Lexus GX does the opposite. It often keeps running long after many luxury competitors have already become too costly to maintain. One major reason is its body-on-frame construction, a design typically used in trucks rather than luxury SUVs. That stronger foundation allows the vehicle to handle years of heavy use without the structural fatigue that can affect lighter crossover platforms. Under the hood, the GX uses a naturally aspirated V8 engine known for its durability and relatively simple design. Compared with smaller turbocharged engines found in many luxury SUVs today, this powertrain is built to handle long-term stress and high mileage. The GX also benefits from Lexus build quality and Toyota engineering, which is why mechanics often see these vehicles stay on the road for decades with proper maintenance. And the real proof shows up on the odometer. It's not unusual to find GX models with 270,000 miles or more, and many well-maintained examples continue running far beyond that. Now, if you ask mechanics which SUVs refuse to die, one name almost always comes up, and it's the next vehicle on this list: the Toyota 4Runner. If there's one SUV mechanics often point to when talking about 300,000-mile vehicles, it's the Toyota 4Runner. While many modern SUVs focus on comfort and technology, the 4Runner has stayed true to a much tougher design philosophy. One big reason for its longevity is the body-on-frame construction, the same type of structure used in pickup trucks. That heavier-duty platform allows the vehicle to handle years of rough driving, towing, and high mileage without the same wear that affects many crossover SUVs. The 4Runner is also known for its proven naturally aspirated V6 engine, which has been refined over many years and built a reputation for long-term durability. Compared to more complex turbocharged engines, it's designed to run reliably with consistent maintenance. Add in Toyota's reputation for strong engineering and durable components, and it's easy to see why these SUVs are often kept for decades. And the mileage numbers back it up. Seeing a 4Runner with 250,000 miles is extremely common, and well-maintained examples regularly push well past 300,000 miles. Now, before we get to the number one SUV on this list, there's something interesting mechanics often say about vehicles that reach 300,000 miles. It usually isn't about horsepower, luxury features, or even price. The vehicles that last the longest are almost always the ones that were engineered for durability first, and everything else second. And the SUV that takes the number one spot on this list might be the best example of that philosophy: the Toyota Land Cruiser. In some parts of the world, the Toyota Land Cruiser isn't just transportation. It's the vehicle people trust when breaking down simply isn't an option. That reputation for extreme durability is exactly why mechanics often mention it when talking about SUVs capable of reaching 300,000 miles or more. One major reason is its overbuilt engineering philosophy. The Land Cruiser was designed to handle harsh terrain, heavy loads, and long-distance driving in remote environments, which means many of its components are built far stronger than what typical road-focused SUVs require. It also uses proven powertrains and robust drivetrain components that prioritize long-term reliability over cutting-edge complexity. That approach helps reduce the chances of major failures as the mileage climbs. Owners who maintain them properly often keep these vehicles for decades, and the results are easy to see. Land Cruisers with 250,000 miles are extremely common, and many well-maintained examples continue running well beyond 300,000 miles. Today, we looked at 11 SUVs mechanics say can last over 300,000 miles, proving that some vehicles are engineered to survive decades of driving when properly maintained. And the big takeaway is simple. Longevity isn't about flashy features or luxury badges. It's about durable engineering and manageable ownership costs. Because the best vehicle isn't the one that impresses you when it's new. It's the one that keeps running when the repair bills never show up. And speaking of repair bills, there's another video you should watch next, because some cars cost almost nothing to maintain compared to others. So if you want to see 5 cars with the lowest repair costs in America, check out the video on your screen right now.